Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Figured that I would just clean the whole entire house today because yesterday my eyes were just feeling very heavy and itchy. Just my whole face was feeling itchy, so I woke up at 3 in the morning this morning to see if my face was swollen because I feel like I was scratching my face all night. So today I told myself that I was going to clean my whole house. So I just thought, why not record it? Also, I wanted to show you guys tips and tricks of cleaning. I think it would be really interesting to use only one ingredient to clean my whole entire house. So that one ingredient is vinegar. I use vinegar for almost everything, but I will use Clorox for like cleaning toilets because I just want to know that my toilets are like extra clean. But other than that, I will use vinegar in my kitchen, living room, dining room, upstairs, like counters, all that stuff. So all I do with vinegar is I just get a bottle and I fill it up like 40% of the way, and then with the rest of the 60% I just fill up with water. And then I like to add lemon inside the bottle along with the vinegar and water because I feel like it just adds more of like a lemony smell. So I like to add that. I wanted to show you guys a peek of what I've gotten done so far. So here I have my mattress cushions just stacked up because I am cleaning the covers, and also because I found a really big stain on one of my cushions because this guy right here decided to lay on it and get it dirty. So without talking even more, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the kitchen first because I just need to work by sections because I know that I'll get carried away and just work on different things, jump from place to place. So for cleaning dishes, this is the soap that I am using. Very inexpensive. If you're looking for something inexpensive, this is definitely the soap to get. Okay, wanted to share something really funny really fast. I decided to take a shower before I clean. I don't know why I did that, but I did. So anyway, I just thought that I'd share that because it's really funny. I got done cleaning my whole entire house and now I am using my iPhone because my camera died on me. I do want to mention one product about cleaning your toilets, and I didn't get a chance to record me cleaning the restrooms, but there's 3 products that I want to show you guys and just some things that I've noticed about them. So here I've got 3 toilet cleaning products and I'm going to start off with my favorite one. This one here is probably my most favorite just because as I was putting the product into the toilets, it just did not miss a spot, and I just really liked that it was very liquidy, so it definitely spread it out. And then the Comet, which I love too because it's very inexpensive, and I feel like that can sometimes get around. But the one thing that I do notice about this product is that it's not very soapy, I guess, so I feel like it's not really disinfecting, but it does have good results at the end. And then the soft scrub, probably my least favorite, just because I feel like every time I use soft scrub, like on the sinks or toilets, the product comes out very clumpy and it just does not get around. I just feel like the product doesn't really go anywhere and it just sticks on certain spots and it doesn't really spread out. So I don't really know if that makes sense, but out of all the products, this one probably has to be my most favorite, and I hope that helped you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog now because I am exhausted and my back hurts. So I thank you so much for watching, and if you guys are not yet subscribed and would like to be, you can click subscribe down below. Sorry, I feel like I'm talking way too fast. And you'll get a notification every time that I publish a new video. So with that said, I will see you guys later.